Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, let's talk about a common issue many people run into. Why is it that after clicking Add Teardrops, nothing seems to happen? In EasyEDA, teardrops usually fail to generate not because of a software bug, but because certain design conditions aren't satisfied. So I will summarize the most common reasons, and you can check them one by one. The most frequent cause is that the current trace type doesn't support teardrop generation. If what you select isn't a standard routing trace, for example, if it's special object type, EasyEDA simply won't add a teardrop. Another common reason is a DRC error. If your routing or path violates the design rules, the system will block teardrop creation to prevent any non-compliant geometry. That's also the case where the trace isn't actually connected to the path. Teardrops can only be generated at the junction between a path and a trace. If they are misaligned or not truly connected, the system won't generate anything. If the trace is too short right at the path connection, teardrops can also fail. That's because the shape needs enough space to form properly. And finally, if you are using X-sharp trace, you may also find that teardrop can not be added. Some complex curved traces simply aren't supported yet. So in summary, when teardrop fails to generate, it usually comes down to object type, connection issues, or road-related restriction. Once you understand this reason, troubleshooting becomes much quicker and your workflow will go a lot smoother. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Hope this helps you handle teardrop issue more efficiently. See you in the next one.